In this tutorial, we're going to use a waypoint to lock the camera view to a specific building in our scene as it travels along a flight path. The first step is to select the object or building you want to lock the camera to. Go to the Options tab and make sure the box Scriptable is checked. This will allow you to reference the building in the waypoint editor as well as the script and scenario editors. Select OK and go to the Plan view. Now zoom into the area of your model where you can see the entire length of the flight path. This is the same flight path we created in the previous tutorial. Select the place on the flight path that you want the camera view to change and select Add Waypoint. This will automatically open up the waypoint editor. In the top left, you can select the distance from the start of the flight path that you want your waypoint to appear. Our goal is to add a command that changes the camera view from looking straight ahead as it travels along our flight path to looking at the building we just made scriptable in 3D view. To do this, select Add and you'll see a variety of parameters appear that will allow you to customize your command. Objects that are scriptable will appear under the Instances tab. If you have multiple instances of the same model you made scriptable, you can use the coordinate information to differentiate between them and make sure you're selecting the correct one. Now go to the Command tab, select the rollout, and the command Look at Me. Now we're done. We've essentially made a command that tells the camera to look at our building when it reaches the waypoint at 45 meters from the start of the flight path. Select OK, and you can see your waypoint is referenced as a green dot along your flight path. This allows you to differentiate between regular turning points on your flight path and waypoints that you set in between. Now select OK, and we'll go back to 3D view and test our flight path. Select Fly on Road, and your flight path will appear in the flight path sequence here. If it doesn't, it will appear in the flight path list, and you can set it in your sequencer here. Select OK. We'll travel on our flight path, and as it reaches the waypoint at 45 meters, it'll look directly at the building and will be locked for the rest of the flight path.